What is sheet metal fabrication? Sheet metal fabrication shapes flat metal sheets into functional parts. How is this done? Hello everyone, welcome to IT Manufacture. Today let's quickly understand the core of sheet metal fabrication. In short, it processes metal sheets, for example, steel or aluminum, into desired shapes via cutting, bending, stamping, and welding key processes. Cutting precisely cut metal sheets with lasers or CNC tools. Shaping creates and destructures through bending and stamping. Assembly finish the product via welding or riveting. Main advantages: controllable cost, ideal for medium or batch production, with high material usage. Stable precision, key dimension errors kept within millimeters. Strong adaptability, make small parts to large equipment enclosures. RT Manufacture has professional sheet metal equipment, offering one-stop service from design to finished products. Welcome to. Contact us for more details.